Okay, student. Exercise 3.2 related to the trigonometric function and their ratio. Very important. This topic related to the class 11th and we are studying class also 10th. Trigonometric ratio. There are 6 trigonometric ratio. There are 6 trigonometric ratio. First, sin theta, cos theta and tan theta, cosec theta, sec theta and cot theta. There are 6 trigonometric ratio. Trigonometric ratio. All the trigonometric ratio is defined ratio of right angle triangle. Right angle triangle. Ratio of the side. Ratio of side of right angle triangle. Right angle triangle means, suppose draw a right angle triangle. This is the right angle triangle. A, B and C. One angle is 90 degree, is called right angle triangle. This is the angle of theta. Very important, student. The opposite side of the theta is called perpendicular, and the opposite side of the 90 degree is called hypotenuse, and third side is called base. So this is the right of triangle. So hypotenuse, base and perpendicular is also define the ratio of the right angle triangle depend to the theta. So write then theta is called trigonometric ratio. Theta is called trigonometric ratio of right angle triangle. So this is very important, student. Sin theta, cos theta, tan theta, cosec theta, sec theta and cot theta is also defined the 6 trigonometric ratio. Draw the circle. Center lie on the origin O. This is positive x-axis, positive y-axis, negative x-axis, negative y-axis. This is the origin of circle. Suppose OA, let OA is equal to OB is equal to OP is radius of circle. Means OA is equal to OB is equal to OP is equal to R. Suppose the point P lie in the first quadrant XY. The distance of the abscissa is X and the distance of ordinate is Y. PM perpendicular to x-axis. The angle of x-axis and the slope OP is theta angle. Then OX axis and OY axis is also line first quadrant. The opposite side of the theta is called perpendicular and the opposite side of the 90 degree is called hypotenuse, and hypotenuse is also equal to 1 because OP is equal to R or the radius R. And the third side is called base. very important student. The first trigonometric ratio sin theta is also defined the perpendicular upon hypotenuse. Perpendicular upon hypotenuse means the value of the perpendicular is y upon r. Next, the value of cos theta base upon hypotenuse x upon r. The value of the tan theta is also defined the perpendicular upon base means y upon x. Cosec theta is the opposite of sin theta. Hypotenuse upon perpendicular r upon y. Sec theta is opposite of cos theta, so hypotenuse upon base r upon x, and cot theta is opposite of tan theta, then base upon perpendicular is equal to x upon y. So there are 6 trigonometric ratio: sin theta perpendicular upon hypotenuse, cos base upon hypotenuse, tan theta perpendicular upon base, cosec hypotenuse upon perpendicular, sec theta hypotenuse upon base, and cot theta base upon perpendicular. Total there are 6 trigonometric ratio. Is also defined the ratio of the right angle triangle. Ratio of the triangle PMO: y upon r, x upon r, y upon x, r upon y, r upon x, x upon y. Total ratio is also defined the ratio of the triangle. Write them. Property number 1 related to the trigonometric ratio. Sin theta is equal to, we have drawn the also right angle triangle A PMO. This is the slope of angle theta. This value is y and x. This is the radius, hypotenuse. By Pythagoras theorem. According to the Pythagoras theorem is also defined the square of the hypotenuse is equal to the sum of the square of the other two sides of the right angle triangle. Hypotenuse is equal, square is equal to perpendicular का square plus base का square, और radius का square is equal to y का square plus x square. This equation first. This application applied to the trigonometric ratio. Then sin theta is equal to perpendicular upon hypotenuse r y upon r, cos theta base upon hypotenuse x upon r, and tan theta perpendicular upon base. The value of the perpendicular is y and x is the base, then y upon x. Sin theta is also opposite the cosec theta. Cosec theta is equal to r upon y. Cos theta is opposite of sec theta, r upon x. Tan theta is opposite the cot theta, x upon y. Okay student, property number 2. Sin theta is equal to 1 upon cosec theta. Cos theta is equal to 1 upon sec theta. Tan theta is also equal to 1 by cot theta. Suppose cosec theta is also equal to 1 by sin theta. Sec theta is equal to student 1 by cos theta, and cot theta is also opposite the 1 by tan theta. Okay student, write them. Property number 3. Sin theta into cosec theta is also equal to 1. Cos theta into sec theta is also equal to 1. tan theta into cot theta is also equal to 1. Proof: sin theta into cosec theta. Okay student, the value of sin theta is opposite 1 by cosec theta into cosec theta. Cosec cosec cancel is also equal to 1. Same property number 4. Property number 4 is related to trigonometric identities. Trigonometric identities means there are three trigonometrical identities. First, sin square theta plus cos square theta is also equal to 1. Number 2, sec square theta minus tan square theta is also equal to 1. Third, cosec square theta minus cot square theta is also equal to 1. Very important, sin square cos square theta is equal to 1. Sec square theta minus tan square theta is equal to 1. Cosec square theta minus cot square theta is equal to 1. There are three trigonometrical identities related to the exercise 3.2. Very important identities. Three identities is also defined the other two identities. Sin square cos square theta is equal to 1. Then sin square theta is also equal to 1 by minus cos square theta, and cos square theta is also equal to 1 minus sin square theta. Okay student. Second, sec square theta is equal to 1 plus tan square theta, and tan square theta is equal to sec square theta minus 1. Cosec square theta is equal to 1 plus cot square theta is also equal to cot square theta is equal to cosec square theta minus 1. Total there are 9 identities. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So very important student. There are 9 identities apply in the exercise 3.2. First of all, write them student. Next topic, sign of trigonometric function. Sign of trigonometric function related to the Cartesian quadrant. This is the first quadrant student, second quadrant, third and fourth. The nature of the first quadrant is also defined. The value of x-axis is also greater than 0 and y greater than 0. Means both are defined the plus and plus. Second quadrant is also defined the x less than 0 and y greater than 0. The coordinate is minus and plus. Third quadrant is also defined the x less than 0, y less than 0. Both coordinate define the minus minus. Fourth quadrant is also defined the x greater than 0 and y less than 0. So this quadrant is also defined the plus and minus. This is very important student. First quadrant is also defined the all trigonometric ratio be positive. Total there are 6 trigonometric ratios: sin, cos, tan, cosec, sec, cot. All trigonometric ratio be positive. Second quadrant, sin theta and cosec theta be positive, other negative. Third quadrant, tan theta and cot theta be positive, other negative. Fourth quadrant, cos theta and sec theta be positive, other negative. So this is very important. This quadrant all positive, sine positive, tan positive, at this quadrant cos positive. A as TC. So very important student, all positive. Define the, this is the quadrant, or this is defined trigonometric ratio. Trigonometric ratio sin theta, cos theta, tan theta, cosec theta, sec theta and cot theta. And this is the quadrant. First quadrant, second quadrant, third and fourth. First quadrant, second quadrant, third and fourth. In the Cartesian plane we are defined. First quadrant, all the trigonometric ratio be positive. Second quadrant, student, sine and cosec positive. Third quadrant, tan and cot positive, and fourth quadrant, cos and sec positive, other negative. So this is the first quadrant. Sine, first quadrant, all trigonometric ratio 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 ratio positive, plus, 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 plus and plus. All ratio be positive. Second quadrant, student, sine and cosec. Sine and cosec be positive. So sine and cosec positive, other negative. Third quadrant, student, tan and cot theta be positive, tan theta and cot theta positive, other negative. Fourth quadrant, student, cos or sec positive, cos theta and sec theta positive, other negative. So this is very important, student. Write the relation of the quadrant and trigonometric ratio. When the theta, this is theta lie in first quadrant, all positive. Theta is lying second quadrant, sine and cosec positive, other negative. If theta lie in third quadrant, tan and cot positive, other negative. If theta lie in fourth quadrant, cos and sec positive, other negative. Write them. Okay student, first question, exercise 3.2. Find the value of other 5 trigonometric ratio if one ratio is given. Means cos theta is equal to minus 1 by 2. To find the other 5 ratio, very important, if theta lie in third quadrant. Okay student, if theta lie in third quadrant means tan theta and cot theta be positive, other negative. Cos theta is equal to minus 1 by 2. Find the other ratio. Cos theta is equal to minus 1 by 2. Then sec theta is equal to minus 2 by 1 is equal to minus 2. Second, sin square theta is also equal to 1 minus cos square theta. Before video we are explained trigonometric identities. Sin square theta is equal to minus 1 minus cos square theta. Sin square theta is equal to 1 minus the value of cos theta minus 1 by 2 ka square. Sin square theta is equal to 1 minus 1 by 4. 4 1 ja 4, 3 by 4. Then sin theta is also equal to root 3 by 4 is equal to root 3 by 2. The value of sin theta is equal to root 3 by 2. Next, tan square theta is equal to sec square theta minus 1. Tan square theta, sin theta is equal to root 3 by 2. Then cosec theta is also equal to 2 by root 3. Okay student. Next, tan square theta is equal to sec square theta minus 1. tan square theta, the value of sec theta is minus 2 का square minus 1. Tan square theta is equal to 4 minus 1. Tan theta is equal to root 3. Then cot theta is also equal to 1 by root 3. First, second, third, fourth and fifth. 5 trigonometric ratio find, M1 ratio are given. Very very important, theta line third quadrant. Third quadrant means tan theta and cot theta positive, other negative, sine negative, cosec negative, sec negative and cos negative. Write them student. First example. Next example, if sine theta is equal to 3 by 5 and theta lie in second quadrant. If theta lie in second quadrant student, तो sine and cosec positive, other negative. Sine theta is equal to 3 by 5, then cosec theta is also equal to 5 by 3. We know that cos square theta is equal to 1 minus sin square theta. 1 minus the value of sin theta 3 by 5 का square. 1 minus 9 by 25. 25 1 जा 25 minus 9 upon 25 is also equal to 16 upon 25. Then cos theta is also equal to root of 16 upon 25. Cos theta is equal to student 4 upon 5. Then sec theta is also equal to 5 by 4. Next, sec square or tan square theta is equal to sec square theta minus 1. We know that the value of sec theta 5 by 4 का square minus 1 is equal to 25 upon 16 minus 1. Tan square theta is also equal to 25 minus 16 upon 16. Tan square theta is equal to 9 upon 16. Tan theta is equal to root of 9 upon 16. Tan theta is equal to 3 upon 4. Then cot theta is equal to student 4 by 3. Very very important in this question, theta lie in the second quadrant. Sine cosec positive, sine positive and cosec positive. Other negative, cos negative, sec negative, cot negative, tan theta negative. Write them student. This is Cartesian plane, first quadrant, second and third and fourth. Very very important student. This quadrant theta lie in 0 to 90 degree. 0 to the first quadrant move 90 minus theta. 90 minus theta and all trigonometric ratio be positive. Second, 90 plus theta and 180 minus theta. Second quadrant move 90 plus theta and 180 minus theta. Both quadrant lie in the second quadrant. Third quadrant student, 180 plus theta, 270 minus theta. 180 plus theta and 270 minus theta. This quadrant tan and cot positive, other negative. This is the third quadrant. Fourth quadrant student, move 270 plus theta and 360 minus theta. This quadrant lie in the fourth quadrant. This quadrant sine and cos and sec positive, other negative. Write them. Very very important application student. If first quadrant 90 minus theta, 90 plus theta, 270 minus theta, 270 plus theta, move the trigonometric ratio be not changed. If sin 90 minus theta, sin 90 plus sin 270 minus theta, 270 plus theta, then the trigonometric ratio be not changed, means sin 90 minus theta is equal to cos theta. Suppose cos 90 plus theta moving the second quadrant minus sin theta, 10 270 minus theta move in the third quadrant cot theta, and cosec 270 plus theta moving in the fourth quadrant minus sec theta. Okay student, the trigonometric ratio भी change, sin cos sin tan cot cosec sec. Sin is sin lie in the quadrant first में all positive, second sin cosec positive other negative, and 180 minus theta 180 plus theta to 360 minus theta 360 plus theta. The trigonometric ratio be not change. Not change means sin theta change to the sin cos tan in the form of change tan theta. If theta lie in the first, second, third quadrant, according to the nature y, change the sign. Write them. There are two examples, first and second. If n belongs to z, z means integer. If n belongs to integer, then sin n into 360 plus theta. N into 360 plus theta is also equal to sin theta. Cos n into 360 plus theta is also equal to cos theta. And tan n into 360 plus theta is also equal to tan theta, student. First, very very important, sin minus theta is also equal to minus sin theta. Cos minus theta is also equal to plus cos theta, and tan minus theta is also equal to minus tan theta, and cosec minus theta is also equal to, student, minus cosec theta. In this question, cosec minus theta is also equal to minus cosec 1410 degree. 1410 degree maximum, we are moving to the 360 degree. 360. One round is moving to the 360. Two round 720. Three round and four round. According to the 4 into 360 is equal to 4 is 0, 4 6 is 24, and 4 3 is 12 to 40. 1440 minus 30 is also equal to 1410 degree. So in this question we are applying minus cosec 4 into 360 minus 30 degree. Cosec 4 into 360 minus theta. We know that this quadrant lie in fourth quadrant. Cosec 360 minus theta is also equal to minus cosec theta. Then applying this question, cosec 360 minus theta is equal to minus cosec 30 degree, minus plus cosec 30 degree. The value of sin 30 is 1 by 2, so then cosec 30 is also equal to 2. This is the answer of the question. Write them, student. Next question. Question number 2. Tan 19 pi upon 3. 19 pi. In this question, tan 19 pi, 3 6 are 18, 6 pi plus pi by 3. 6 3 is 18 pi plus pi, 19 pi by 3. We know that tan 6 pi, write them, 3 into 2 pi plus pi by 3. We know that n belongs to 3, n belongs to integer, n is equal to 3 into 360, 2 pi. The value of 2 pi is equal to 360 plus theta. Tan n plus n into 360 plus theta is also equal to tan theta. Then tan 3 into 2 pi plus pi by 3 is also equal to tan pi by 3, or tan pi by 3 is equal to tan 60 degree. Tan 60 is also equal to root 3. The value of tan 60 degree is equal to root 3. Write them, student.